Hotel Hope 1037.
10, go ahead. G10, is he on?
South. He's in the vehicle south on Hazel. Damn, unit smoking.
Oh, yeah.
As far as we can tell, not. Hey, he was the only one in there, Liz.
G16 has 1024. It's going to be on 29 near KFC with Arkansas 780ZTI. 780ZTI. It's going to be displayed on a Grand Marquis. It's going to come back to a Chevy Sonic.
Were you calling either?
10-4.
No.
This morning, hey, you doing all right? Trooper Colvin, Arkansas State Police. The reason I'm stopping you, man, these tags don't come back to this car.
I just got another tag. I just purchased this vehicle a couple days ago. I got the tag to go to this car. I didn't put it on here yet.
So why is this one on there?
It's a paper tag. They put it on here whenever I bought it from the
This ain't a paper tag. This is a real tag.
The tag is on here. I bought it when I bought the car. They gave it to me for a temporary thing until I got my paper tag. In the car lot.
Yeah. So whose tag is this?
I don't know. I have the paper tag for this car right now. When I got this from the dealership, he took off one of his other vehicles and said you could use this, but didn't have no tag on it at all. I said, how long did it take?
So when did you get the paper tag?
I just got it.
Like same day?
No. I literally just got it.
When did you buy it?
I bought this car maybe like 3 or 4 days ago. That tag came off one of his other vehicles.
So where did you buy it?
In Little Rock, Arkansas.
That don't sound like something that's normally done, man. Running a tag. Like, now I have seen, say, if I buy a car and say if I trade in my car and I bring my tag up there, I can put my new tag on there. I've seen that, but I hadn't just seen a tag on there because that one returned to this car.
Yeah, no.
Turns to a different one.
But see, the thing is, when I bought this vehicle, I told him he didn't have no tag on it. So I said, how am I going to get to where I need to be until I get my paper tag?
You're good for 60 days to run without any tags.
I didn't know that.
Mm-hmm. You have 60 days as long as we have a sheet of paper showing when you bought it. You have 60 days.
I didn't know that. This is my first time buying a vehicle. I financed the vehicle before. I just got that tag. I just got my car stuck out the mud. So I literally just got the car out the mud. Mm-hmm. I'm going to go put that tag on there. I had a chance to sit down and
Go ahead and, what is this? Do you have insurance on it?
No, I don't.
Okay, you gotta put insurance on it before you start driving down the road. And your driver's license. Can I get 1054? Also check local 29s at a Hope on the Civic.
G16, go ahead.
950-244-270. 950-244-270. Should be Kywaun Washington. Hey, would you step out for me, Mr. Washington? Just step out for me. That's one of them thoughts. Get out.
Hope 1037.
Go ahead.
vehicle south on Hazel. South on Hazel, going about 90.
It's gonna be a Mercury. Mercury Grand Marquis.
He's passing cars opposite way, south on Hazel. Avenue C, coming up the red light on there. Across the tracks. Went through the stop sign at second.
What color is that
Grand Mercury, Grand Marquis. Continue south on Hazel. Hazel and South Laurel still south. We just turned west on East 9. Still west, just went back north on Main.
Try to TDI and it works.
North on Main, coming up the third. We're on 67 going south. We just started on down the street, north around. West on West 2nd. Through the tracks, on 2nd, coming up to Hervey. North, going north on Hervey. West on Avenue B.
That's on Avenue B. TDI will not pick up.
West on Avenue B, 75, 80.
See if somebody can get up ahead. He's dodging my TDIs.
Speeds are 100 on West Avenue B. Crosses at Holland Street now. Still on Avenue B, and just crossed over I-30 on Avenue B. They just went through Melrose for westbound to
I'm trying to get up to these in the middle of the road walking and driving.
Still on 2. Speed's about 80.
I get my straight first.
Long over marijuana. Speed's about 100. West on 4. He wrecked out in the curve. Instead, 1002 is our problem.
He's trying to get out. He's trying to get out.
Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Put this way!
Don't give a shit. That's it.
Hands behind your back.
Shit, hands. That's the ground.
Fucking pulled over. Dumbass. Could have fucking killed somebody.
I'm in pain. Yeah, I bet you are. We're taking them into custody.
Yeah.
You get
Yeah.
You get in?
Stand up.
There, roll down.
Get off.
Just advising this vehicle's off the roadway. It's standing on its front bumper.
Wrong place for pity party.
Stupid. You could have just killed somebody. It was me, you, and everybody else who just passed. I told you to get out.
He's clear the nose.
Go ahead.
I'm clear the net.
10-4 minutes, 10-64.
So, but,
Felony flee up the door.
damn, unit smoking.
Oh, yeah.
As far as we can tell, not. Hey, he was the only one in there, Liz.
Somebody's coming to check you out. Well, I wonder why. You took off.
I was trying to go to bill right now.
Oh, you're going.
You got responsibility, ain't you? God bless y'all. I know. God bless y'all. God bless you.
Hey, Liz, what you need me to do now?
I can't breathe.
She's going to say anything to the EMS, but you can let him turn around.
Let's go my back. I can't breathe. My back.
You can stand up.
My back hurts.
Well, somebody's coming to check you out right now. Everybody else is my first priority.
What's your name?
Stay still.
Handcuffs, you're not a good guy. Get your ass in the car. All right. That's all the thing to say. Fuck face. Two fucking handcuffs need to be in the fucking car. Let's do it.
Sure. Dumbass, sit down here. What you need from me? Should be good enough. I'll do here. Coach will.
That's all.